Hello, this is Liz with DC Digital, and today I'm demonstrating a special version of our DC-25T-DN-NEMA. In this video, I'll go over how to use the product first, and then follow up with hardware and features. I'll also be explaining what makes it different from our standard model throughout the video. So this specific version is going to be used as a timer for an industrial mixer. So while the timer is running, it is going to turn the mixer on, and as soon as the timer reaches 0, it'll shut off the mixer. And if anybody pushes the start-stop button while the timer is still counting down, it'll turn off the mixer, and then if they start the timer again, it'll turn the mixer back on. So the buttons on the top are going to be start-stop, set minutes, set seconds, reset to last value, and 0 reset. Our standard comes with set hours and minutes instead of minutes and seconds, but they don't want to mix cookies for 2 hours and 15 minutes. So to set the minutes and seconds, you push the button once, it'll start counting up, and then push the button again to stop, and then the same thing with set seconds. All right, and then 0 reset will, of course, 0 out the timer, and I'm just going to put 3 seconds on the timer. And I have a drill hooked up to the relay module, and as soon as I push the start-stop button, it'll turn the relay on, and that will turn the drill on. So here we go. All right, and as you can see, the drill turned off as soon as the timer reached 0. And the reset to last value button, if you push it, will just reset to the last set value. So that makes it easy to do batches. All right, so the relay on the right does not come with our standard product, and it is inside of a NEMA case, and that will control the activation of the industrial mixer. So that relay can take up to 250 volts AC at 50 or 60 hertz, or it'll take 30 volts DC, and both the AC and DC voltage are rated at 10 amps. And I'll show you how the drill is connected to the relay in just a minute. So the digit size on the timer is going to be 2.3 inch, and then of course red segmented LEDs. Both of these cases are NEMA 4X enclosures. They are mounted with through holes on the back of the case, and the power for the timer is going to be 120 to 240 volts AC, 50 to 60 hertz. It's going to be an SJE OOW 3-prong 9-foot power cord. And there are terminal blocks inside both the timer and the relay case to make connections. So the terminal block inside the timer case is going to be the for the controls to this relay, and they'll come out and go in to the left terminal block there, and they're marked. So one is the relay control and one is the relay common. Then the relay on the right is going to be the 120 volts AC relay. And it's very important that you connect this up properly. So you are going to connect this up by breaking the live wire controlling the mixer or whatever AC current device or AC voltage device that you want. So the terminals are numbered 4, 5, and 6 on the AC side. You're going to connect terminal 4 to the AC voltage side that is connected to the outlet, and the terminal 6 is going to be the AC live that is going to the mixer or whatever device. So you don't want to hook one up to neutral and one up to live, or one up to live and one to ground. It's going to be live on both of those. It's just breaking the wire connection. So it's very important that you connect those up properly. All right, so all of our products are manufactured and assembled at our location in Carlisle, Ohio. So if you like this product and want to order it, or if you have questions about how we can customize any of our products for your specific needs, please contact us using the link in the description. So again, this has been Liz with DC Digital demonstrating a special version of our DC-25T-DN-NEMA. Thank you.